Welcome back, YouTube and guys, to another really quick Goya recipe. So start with chicken and olive oil. Put this pan on medium and just keep stirring this. This is pre-cooked Purdue chicken. Okay guys, that's starting to sizzle. Take some Goya, put that on the chicken, and then take really good quality petite tomatoes and pour that in there. And the thing you're going to want to do is just work this together. Keep this on medium for about a minute, and then you're going to want to turn this down to low. Alright guys, so take like a microwave rice, put that in there, and then you're going to want to just stir this rice in there for a couple minutes. Just keep working it, let everything blend together. And there's just one more Goya thing, and then we can eat. Alright YouTube, so the last thing is the cilantro by Goya. Pour that in there. And that's a personal preference. You just put in what you want. And this will make for a really good meal if you like cilantro. So just work this together. And then turn the thing down to low. And let this simmer for a minute. Let all the flavors blend together. And there you have it, YouTube and friends. A quality Goya meal with rice in 2 to 3 minutes. It's very easy to make this, and you can have it at any time. If you like quick recipes, you love Goya, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I'll bring you many more Goya recipes in the future.